Batangas, enabling the youth to participate in a global, technology and research-driven environment, shaping the youth to the best that they can be.
University of Batangas, shaping you and me to the best that we can be. University of Batangas, the global you and me begins at University of Batangas.
Do you know something about the University of Batangas, Lipa City? Let me tell you some information about it. The University of Batangas Lipa City Campus, or UBLC, is the first constituent of University of Batangas system outside Batangas City. It's located at Feliciano Levista Road, or formerly Marawi Balete Road in Lipa City. It broke ground on July 7, 2010 and was formally inaugurated after a year on July 7, 2011. Its strategic location intends to provide the youth of Lipa City and its neighboring towns the opportunity to enjoy quality education that is not only globally competitive but technology and research-driven as well. The campus is committed to intensely cater to the holistic needs of students in business, education, technology, engineering, tourism and hospitality, criminal justice, liberal arts and other areas of learning to assure that its graduates will serve as competitive individuals in the quest of competitive globalization. UBLC also addresses the dream of knowledge-driven individuals who aim to pursue advanced studies through its prominent graduate and growth schools. This program seeks and those with courses Philosophy. The University of Batangas, a stock non-sectarian, private educational institution, believes in the pursuit of knowledge, values and skills necessary for the preservation and improvement of the Philippine society. It has faith in the dignity of the human person, in the democratic process, in the reward of individual excellence, and in the freedom of a person to worship God according to his conscience. Thus, the institution believes that the development of the individual as a person and a worker is an effective means in building a better family, community, and the University of Batangas provides quality education by promoting personal and professional growth and enabling the person to participate in a global, technology, and research-driven environment. Vision. We envision the University of Batangas to be the center of excellence committed to serve the broader community through quality education. Courses offered in University of Batangas: Bachelor of Arts in Legal Management, Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering. Also offers general engineering subjects leading to electrical, electronics, and civil engineering majors, graduate studies, Juris Doctor, Doctor of Philosophy in Education, Doctor of Philosophy in Business Management, Doctor of Philosophy in Public Administration, Master of Arts in Education, Master in Business University of Batangas also has a scholarships program like academic scholarship, full scholarship, partial scholarship, 25% discount on tuition fees, University of Batangas aims to pursue academic excellence through a continuing search for application of truth, knowledge, and wisdom via traditional and alternative modes of instructional delivery. Promote moral and spiritual development through an integrated educational process that will enhance human character and dignity. Develop cultural, economic, and socio-civic conscience through an educational content relevant to nation development needs, conditions, and aspirations. Strengthen involvement in community and services through various economic projects